Alright, today's episode I'm working on my Silvia. I'm tucking all the wiring and stuff on here, make it nicer. As you can see, it looks a little cleaner than before. Let's see if I can post some pictures before and after. But right now I'm working on the headlights, and as you can see, this headlight looks decent. And then this one, it's all faded. So I don't know if you can tell, but they're both pretty busted, but I think this side looks better than this side. So I'm gonna buff it out and make them both look the same. Because I mean, they're a little glazy. But this summer I'm gonna clear coat them. Alright, what do you wanna do? You wanna spray it down with some cleaner. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. And then I'm using Complete Compound by Grits. And what I do, I put some on the rag. And then I rub it on the. But whilst I'm rubbing, I'm putting pressure down so it can actually grab everything, all the dirt off. So see the dirt that comes off? That's just from me rubbing it. But I can. On camera it's a little catchy, but if you look at it now, it looks cleaner. I say it still looks glossy, but it's cleaner. Put some wax on them, and that's how you polish your headlights with compound. All right, so now I'm gonna reroute this wire. I'm gonna make it prettier though, like it used to be. Yes, it's a non-turbo S15. Who cares? Still looks fresh. It's gonna have a big engine one day, I promise. So for now, just be patient. So let's get this started. All right, so we detailed the whole engine bay today. Looks pretty shiny. We coated it with some good stuff, so it looks brand new. And I ran the wire right there behind the wall, down there, behind the engine. It looks pretty clean, so I'll take it. Shit.